All right, starting this video off with a friendly hello. This is your LED window display. You can use this display in your vehicle. You can use it for a business in your window, in your house in your window, display whatever message that you like to display or animations. Okay, this is controlled by an app or with your remote control. I apologize for the video being so dark, but I wanted to show you the display. So a few things may be a little bit dark. Hopefully you can see. I try to make it the best I can. Now, on this display, you can put anything you want on it by just typing it in. So right here, if I go, hey, right here, I go like this, I can change that right there. You can change the animation of how it moves by clicking effect. You can make it move. You can change the color to whatever color you like. If you want to make it move right, you can do it like that. It even reversed it. But you can also have it do snowflake and whatever you like to do with that screen. Now, the way you power this is you can power it with your USB-C, which does have an on and off switch here. You can power it with your charger port in your vehicle, or you can use what I'm using right now, just power. It's just a power bank. You know, if you just want to have it separate, maybe all your plugs are tied up, you can use a power bank to power it. But I'll show you a few more animations really quick. So if you click this on the remote, and mind you, there's a whole bunch of them in the app, but right here with just with the remote, you can do these like this here. You can kind of see a few different things on the screen. I'm just going through. So right there, that's your LED window display.